Hi, Ted Harris here again. Anyway, I thought basically a good scary story is perfect for this rainy day. So, a lot of people asked to write a mummy story, so enjoy.
Arise, O mummy, from your tomb. The world has forgot about you. You slept a long time. Show the world you're still here. Now go. Show people you're here. Show them you're alive and well. Yes, show them. Go. Go and attack the House of Harris. They have caused me enough pain. Go attack Maynard. He irritates me. It's a mommy! It's a mommy!
Detective Ted Harris. What? Saw a mummy? Saw a mummy? Oh boy. Is that correct? Whee! Not again. Hello? Saw a mummy? Saw a mummy? It looked like a mummy. I'll take care of that. Ring! Again? Hello? Saw a mummy? Guy in gray shroud? I think I know what it is. Hello, Chief. It's Detective Harris. I think my brother's up to his old tricks. He's got madness. You know that mummy found in Egypt? They say he's revived it. He thought it was his tomb. Now it's actually attacking Swell Sport Media. Good thing. Things stinking up the place. Yes, my first big crime. Yes, I may have to use violence. Good, it's loaded. Now go attack Andrew Chief Wards. You called me a page. I told you I don't want you here anymore. I don't want you here anymore. You are tired of me. Have some mint leaf soup. It'll help revive you while you carry out your mission. Ha! I got you, mummy. Your days of scary people and scary people are no more. Pow, 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 pow. What's the effect? Pow, ah! I gotta get that mummy. I gotta get that mummy. Ha! I'll show you. Ew. Ha! You doing this? You'll irritate my sister. You irritate my sister. Imagine. Ah! The smoke bomb. It's your gas. Ah! I'll be my mummy. Ah! I'll get you for this. Hello, Chief. It's Detective Ted Harris. I want you to only hurt the mummy, but don't hurt my brother. He's got madness. He doesn't know what he's doing. Only hurt the mummy, but don't hurt my brother. He's got madness. He doesn't know what he's doing. I fooled you, mummy. It's just me, Detective Harris in disguise. Get him, Chief. Give her your sword.
Well done, Mummy. You've done well. You show the world you still exist.
The end. So how'd you like that story? Did you like it? Were you scared? No? Down to little? Well, I know that's a lot of reads scared. I said it's perfect for a scary day. A scary story is perfect for a day. So, Ted Harris over at Owl.